What are your 6 primitive brain systems and why do you need to know them? Your RAS, amygdala, somatosensory cortex, brain reward system, mirror neurons, biochemical matrix. Why do you need to know these things? Because they shape a huge portion of your perception of your reality day to day. Your reticular activating system is like a filter. Think of it like being in a space bubble helmet. Your reticular activating system is going to be filtering what information you pay close attention to. This affects how you go about your day when you're driving your car or in your office at work, or even talking to your family members, because your mind will hone in on certain things that may have to do with your traumas. So keep in mind that your reticular activating system is affecting what you pay attention to. Your amygdala is the part of your brain that creates your emotions based on what you're thinking about what you're experiencing. So as your mind is saying, this is what's happening, I believe this is what's happening, your amygdala will create the emotions to fit what you believe or interpreting to be happening. Your somatosensory cortex is the part of your brain that registers pain. It treats emotional and physical pain the exact same way. So the same way somebody can hurt you by slapping you physically, someone can also hurt you with their words by slapping you psychologically. Your somatosensory cortex is what helps to be responsible for your hurt feelings. Your brain reward system is the dopamine addiction system. We can get addicted to so many things. We can be addicted to food, sex, other people, drugs, alcohol, caffeine, tobacco, so many things that we can be addicted to. Paying attention to your brain reward system actually helps you recognize where you may be overdoing it in one place or another. Your mirror neurons are responsible for picking up information from your environment, whether it's verbally or picking up the customs or picking up the thought processes of your environment. And your mirror neurons also help you to navigate unfamiliar spaces. So remembering that the way that we are programmed often comes from our mirror neurons, and we reflect other people without even realizing it. And lastly, your biochemical matrix is my lump term for the chemicals that your body may release, whether that's stress hormones like cortisol or testosterone, estrogen, oxytocin, serotonin. Those chemicals have an effect to make your experience in your body even more heightened. So it's important to know those primitive brain systems and how they affect your thinking and the way that you feel every day.